Good morning, everyone. My name is Rexon Diestro. We came from Roa City, Capiz, Western Visayas, Philippines. I want to share my experience here in Precise Planning in my almost 6 months of trading here in Precise Planning. At first, I was hesitant to join because of all the scam company that came here in our province. But my friend told me, Sir Jomar Salvado, told me that this is different from other platforms, and he said that I just have to try because we cannot succeed if we don't try. So I listened to him, and then I joined last October 2024, and at first I was amazed because it gives the daily percentage of 1 to 2%. So later, when I trade daily, Monday to Friday, I experienced another breakthrough in my finances. So when the trading comes up to 2 months of my experience, from my 5,000 pesos or almost $80 of capital, I make it double to 160. So I was overjoyed, and then I started to request my withdrawal, and then I was so happy that it took only 24 hours to process. So I said to myself, I need to share this business and to other friends and colleagues. So I started sharing the business to my friends like Sir Dudes Pusaran, Sir Ray, Winston, and everyone in my community. And then I started to share the business to the school teachers, and then I held seminars, and I started to learn more about the system. And then last 2 months ago, I was promoted to manager position, which is I achieved more than 50 directs, and then I started to share more to my friends, and then I was so happy and glad that my friends respond to my presentation, and I was so glad that Precise Planning gives me another source of income that I needed for my daily life and for my to provide my family. To all who is aspiring also to be a manager or regional manager or COO in this company, this is the time, guys. I tell you, Precise Planning is a great opportunity, and we are one at the system. So God bless to you all, and see you at the top. God bless you.